Yes, you have to write Gia, right? So when it comes to the fractions multiplication, all you have to do is multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 4 sevens, yeah. Okay, so the answer is 15 upon 28. Hmm? Yeah, okay, done. All right, shall we go to the next slide? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, number 2. In number 2, number 2, I don't know what to do now because it's not coming out properly. I don't know for what. Right, okay. Let's see if this works. 3 upon 8 into 12 upon 15. Come on. 3 upon 8 into 12 upon 15. Now, here what you have to do is, because the situation is like that, because the numbers are that they are connected with each other in some way, and factors and multiplication we know. So you will have to, either you can go for factorization or you can go for direct table multiplication and division. Can you do that? What will be the answer? 36 upon 20, no, 120, no ones. That's not the correct answer. Here you will have to divide in something. Yes, very good. That is correct. That seems like a correct answer, but let's see if it is correct or not. Hannah, first of all, we will write 3 is as such, 3 into this 12. I can write 3 into 4 upon this 8. I can write 2 into 4, and 15 I can write 3 into 5. Yes, so we have got 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here. What is left on the up? Sorry, just a second. Just a second. Have you noted down? Okay, going to the next slide. So what we will be left with? 3 on the up, 2 into 5 at the denominator. Anna? So what will be the answer now? 3 divided by 10. Yeah? Okay, that is the correct answer. Yes, 3 upon 10. That is the correct answer, Priyal. Good job. Come on, do it. Yes, are we done? Yes, Dhwani, what's your question? Yes, Dhwani.
Sir, can you please, sir, can you please,
Go to the previous slide.
yes,
Yes, okay, hold on.
yes, sir.
There you go. Right, the previous slide. Common cancel.
Okay, sir, complete.
Yes, Gia. Yes, Gia, you remember it. Common cancel, we get answer. Yes, that is correct. That's what we do. Hmm?
Okay,
Come on.
sir, complete.
Good job. Let's go to the next example. Right? Shall we go to the next example? Are you ready for the next example? Let's do it. One more example of multiplication where this is going to be number 3, 3 into 9 upon 27. Three into 9. Now this is, one is whole number, another is a fraction. Now we know a whole number, it can be written as 3 upon 1 into 9 upon 27. The rest is easy, right? A whole number can be written as this also. Come on, the rest is very easy. What will be the answer? Yes, Vansh. Correct. Vruta, very good. Vruta, very good. Shobh, 27 upon 27. So what will be the final answer? Yes, very good, Mahir. Absolutely correct. Yes, so basically this becomes 27 upon 27. Either you can go through this, or you can go for 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. 9 nines are cancel, right? 9 and 9 cancel. Common cancel. We get answer, right? So correct answer is 1, not 1 upon 1, not 27 upon 27. Correct answer is 1, right? Whole number. Okay, yeah, very good, very good. One more example. Yugjalu, please undo yourself what you have done. Yugjalu, please undo, because I cannot do that for you. Yugjalu, please. Prushti, please stop writing on this one, right? Come on, guys, everyone, slow. Undo yourself. Prushti, Yug, undo. Use eraser. You can use eraser. Okay, let's do one more example. Slok, 13 upon 117 into 18 upon let's say 26. Solve this one. Solve this one. Come on. This is 18. Unfortunately, I have not been able to write it properly. I don't know why this happens. Prushti Trivedi, answer it. Yes, Prushti Trivedi. बोलो बेटा, क्या कहना है पृष्टि को? Shubh Parekh, stop doing that, please.
Sir, can you do a previous slide for a second?
Okay, will do. Will do. Moksh Patel, stop writing, please. Everyone, solve this example. Prushti, this one is for you. For a second, you said I'm giving you more than a second. Come on.
Okay, sir, thanks.
Yes. See, I cannot erase this part because I have not written it. Only those who have written it can do it. Come on. 13 ones are 13. 13 nines are 117. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18, 2 ones are 2, 13 twos are 26. So answer is 1 upon 13. This is another way of doing it. है ना? But here, if you want to do it this way, you will have to be very good with the tables. Right? That is why I've been asking you to do the tables again and again and again. है ना? Yes, Dhwani, you want to say something? Dhwani. Yes, Dhwani, tell me.
Sir, I can't understand in this one.
See, okay, let me write it this way. 13,
Sir, I
hold on.
this.
18 is 2 nines are. है ना? Okay, I have done the factorization.
I did.
So 13 into 9. 13 nines is 117. We know that. Yes. And 26 is again 2 into 13. Okay. 2 into 13. I don't know why it's not working out properly. So 13, 13 cancel. 2, 2 cancel. 9, 9 cancel. What is left? 1 upon 13. Okay. Now you understand, Dhwani? Very good. Okay. Okay. Hmm. When I mute, when I allow you to speak, does not mean that you have to keep it on. Once you have asked a question, you can mute yourself. Okay. चलो next example करेंगे. Next example will be of division, है ना? Next example will be of division. And when we talk about division, 2 upon 5 divided by say 6 divided by 25. Yes. So what is the first step for division? Very simple. 2 upon 5. Multiplication becomes division, and this factor, this fraction, right, we have to use its inverse. What is inverse? The denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator, है ना? Yeah. Chalo. Now you solve this. Very simple. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, है ना? And 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So what do we have answer? 5 upon 3. Now those students who think that this is the final answer, please raise your hand. Digital, है ना? Digital. Come on. How many of you think this is the final answer? And those who think that this is not the final answer, please submit your answer in the chat box. Come on. Nobody thinks this is final answer. In the chat box, let's see what is the final answer. Nope. Slope, that's what I have written, 5 upon 3. Shanvi, incorrect, beta. You came close. No, Anya, the answer is in decimal. It is correct, but we are not talking about decimals as of now. We are talking about fraction only. Yes, very good, Mahir. Right, you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 1 whole 2 upon 3. Yeah. Okay. Right. That's what we have to do. Okay, number 7, example number 7. Okay, write it down. Write down the answer. Write down the answer, please. Come on. Then shall we go to the next one? One more example of division where 21 divided by 3 upon 7. A whole number is divided by a fraction. So a whole number can be written as 21 upon 1. Division becomes multiplication, and then we have to invert the divider. है ना? Okay. So 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. What will be the answer? 49. Come on, do it fast. Easy example. Very easy example. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Come on. Done? Yeah. One more example. Dwij, sixth blue is raising hand. Yes, Dwij. Bono.
Sir,
Mm-hmm. Bono.
sir, I don't know in this example.
What you didn't understand?
How it count 49?
See, up to this point, did you understand? Up to this point?
Yes.
Okay, so what
Yes.
is left? So if I had to write one more step here, then it's very easy, no? If I had to write one more step here, right? What is left? 7 on the numerator. Shlok, stop writing, beta. 7 sevens are up here, and in the denominator it's only 1. So what is 7 sevens are? 49.
49.
Yeah, that's the answer.
Okay.
Okay, next example we are going to do. Here we are going to do, let's say, 3 upon 8 divided by 64, or rather, wait a second. Hold on a second. Divided by 6. Division by whole number. Okay, now this is very important part. Everyone pay attention. 3 upon 8 we will write as it is, 3 upon 8. Okay, division sign becomes multiplication, and 6 whole number, it can be written as 6 upon 1, so its inverse is 1 upon 6. है ना? Yes or no? Yeah. I don't know what happens during this class only. Is it possible that only in this class? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Yeah, it is correct only. This is correct only. Number 1. Now number 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the next step will be 1 divided by 8 into 2. This has to go. Okay, so what will be the answer? 1 upon 16 is your answer. 1 upon 16 is your answer. है ना? Okay. 1 upon 16 is the correct answer. Okay. Right, everyone? One upon 16. Chup. 1 upon 16, not 16 upon 1, because these two do not change. They stay the same. The denominator stays the same. Okay. Yes, everyone? All right. So in the next slide, I'm going to give you homework now, right? This is going to be your home work. Example number 1. 3 upon 13 into 26 divided by 36. Okay, this example you have to solve on your own. Okay, now number 2, right? Number 2, 8 multiplied by 12 divided by 104. Okay, right? All the answers have to be in fractions only, है ना? Fractions or whole number, no decimals here. Yes, this you have to solve in your homework notebook. Okay, number 3, example number 3, 3 divided by 12 upon 18. Okay, number 4, you have to do it. Number 4 is 16 divided by 55 divided by 16 upon 55 divided by 8 upon 11. Easy examples, right? Only 4 examples are part of your homework. Okay, Shubh Parekh. Yes, Shubh, you want to say something?
सर
Mm-hmm.
सर अभी हमने जो क्लास वर्क नोटबुक में लिखा ना तो उसमें मुझे कुछ समझ
क्या समझ में नहीं आया बेटा? अभी तो आप आंसर्स दे रहे थे.
सर वो एक क्वेश्चन था वो सेकंड वाला
हाँ, कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? क्या क्वेश्चन था?
और वो सर एक मिनट
ओके,
मैं
देख लो.
भूल गया
यस ध्वनि, बोलो. तब तक आप बोलो ध्वनि.
Sir, I have question in six number.
Number 6. This one, are you seeing it on the screen
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah, what is the question?
No,
Tell.
this is not, sir.
Then which one?
Sir, I got after this one.
Okay, after this one. This one. 21.
By 12 upon 15. हाँ ये वाली.
ओके, होल्ड ऑन शोभ, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ बेटा. ध्वनि, यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 अपॉन 7. 1 मिनट सुन लो. तो 21 ऐसा रह जाएगा. हाँ, ध्वनि
इसमें आंसर 1 है.
कैसे 1 आएगा बेटा? 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 अपॉन 7 है. डिवीजन का हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन. होल्ड ऑन. 3 अपॉन 7 का इनवर्स क्या होगा? 7 अपॉन 3. तो 3 7 सा 21, तो 7 7 सा यहाँ पे रह गया. आंसर आएगा 49, नॉट 1. कैसे आएगा? आप कैसे बोल रहे हो 1 आएगा? बताओ. यस बेटा. ध्वनि, आई एम लिसनिंग. हाँ, 1 मिनट शुभ, रुक जाओ. ध्वनि, आर यू देयर बेटा? Yes, Dhwani.
Just see on my screen.
Hold on a second. Dhwani, एक मिनट. एक सेकेंड ना. ध्वनि कहाँ पे है? हाँ तो 3 7 सा कहाँ से आ गया बेटा? 3 अगर 3 7 सा 21 है तो 7 तो यहाँ पे जाएगा ना. आपने गलती यहाँ पे कर दी है. 7 यहाँ पे ऊपर आएगा, 21 के ऊपर 7 होगा और 7 7 सा 49 होगा. 3 यहाँ पे नीचे से 3 into 7 कैसे हो गया बेटा? दैट्स अ मिस्टेक देयर. ओके, यस, गुड. यस शुभ, टेल मी बेटा.
So 3/8 multiplied by 12/15.
Okay, hold on second. 3/8 upon multiplied by या division by?
Multiply.
मल्टीप्लाई वाला बहुत आगे वाला एग्जाम्पल है. ये तो बहुत एग्जाम्पल आगे चला गया भाई. ये वाला 3/8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 12/15 है ना.
Yes.
ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया बेटा? हमने उसको फैक्टराइज कर दिया. 3 is 3, 12 is 3 into 4 है ना. लिख सकते हैं हम 12 is 3 into 4, 8 is 2 4 सा एंड 15 is 3 5 सा. तो फिर यहाँ पे कॉमन कॉमन कैंसिल कर देंगे. 3 3 यहाँ पे कैंसिल, 4 4 यहाँ पे कैंसिल. तो इसका आंसर क्या रह जाएगा? 3/2 into 5 है ना. तो 2 5 सा 10, 3/10 is the answer. ठीक है शुभ, अभी समझ में आया?
Okay. Yes.
यस. सिद्धि को कुछ क्वेश्चन है, बोलो सिद्धि क्या क्वेश्चन है?
सर मुझे थर्ड वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो उसमें ये कट करने का मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आया.
थर्ड वाला मतलब कौन सा बेटा? एक मिनट. ये फर्स्ट, सेकंड,
3/8 डिवाइडेड 6/multiplied.
3/8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12/15 ये वाला.
यस सर.
हाँ तो बेटा सी, मैंने अभी तो शुभ को वही समझाया कि हमने इसको फैक्टराइजेशन कर दिया. 12 के फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं? 3 into 4 कर सकते हैं हम, उसके फैक्टर्स है ये. सेम वे 8 के फैक्टर्स है 2 into 4 एंड 15 के फैक्टर्स है 3 into 5. ठीक है, तो अभी जितने जितने कॉमन है वो सब निकाल दिए. इजी है बेटा. ये तो हमने एक्चुअली 5th में भी सीखा था. मैंने क्लासरूम में भी ये करवाया हुआ है.
फॉरगॉट द 12 के फैक्टर्स जो है वो मैं भूल गई थी.
हाँ अभी देखो, टेबल्स में अगर गलती करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ही. टेबल्स अच्छे से होने चाहिए. सिंपल सा रूल है ना. टेबल्स जितना अच्छा टेबल्स होगा उतना आपका काम अच्छा होगा. ये एज इजी एज दैट, एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, राइट एवरीवन. सो 4 एग्जाम्पल होमवर्क में है, आसानी से कर लोगे. कल से टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर 1 ऑफ 6th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, tomorrow only we will start the first chapter which is very easy, large numbers only. तो वो तो फटाफट खत्म हो जाएगा है ना. right, all right then, that's it for the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Jai Hind.